Hi, I'm glad you clicked on this video. We're going to do pop-ups. I had a request from one of my subscribers that they wanted to know how I did this pop-up. They're actually very easy, and I will show you. I have two more examples. These I will be putting in my journal here. These will be portraying like a ornament, and I will do a design so it looks like the ornament is in my my book. So you can use any kind of paper. This is scrapbook paper. You can use book pages. This one here I did a scalloped edge, and so these are actually like out of a old vintage craft book. So this is like a snowman. This one's like needlepoint. This one is a snowman bulb. This one here is a snowman. This one is just a diagram of like a, what do you call it? Like a pattern for a flower. And then this is a snowman. So then you can do any shape that you want, but it has to just be able to, well, it doesn't have to be, but to make it look right. Like this one here is, if you fold, this was a punch out, I cut it out, and then I folded it in half. So if you want these to look symmetrical, you would have to have something that's exactly the same size or same edges that you can fold in half, because that's what you're going to do, is fold in half whatever shape you're doing. This one is scalloped here, so I didn't care that it didn't match exactly on some of them, but that's how I wanted it. So you can do, different images that you can look through, in your pop-up. So, so let's do that. I am going to make this one out of wrapping paper. So basically all we're going to do is, this is some beautiful, really nice gold thick wrapping paper. And I think this is too thick here, or I mean 2 pages thickness. So let's cut out some. So there's 1, 2, 3, and you want to make it however thick you want, however thick you want your pop out to be. So I think I will leave it at that right there. So here are our pop outs. And then whatever image you want to be showing up in your book, like these here. So you want the image up. So you want to fold the colored side out. And all you do is just fold them all in half, whatever shape it is that you're using. And just fold them all in half. So they're the same. You can do this with stars, well, anything that has the same shape on both sides. Okay, so you fold them all in half. All you do is take your glue, and what you're going to do is you're going to just start gluing them together. So, and how I do it, just so that it stays together, is I just stand it up and put the other one right next to it. Whoop. There we go. So there. Be sure to bring your glue all the way out to the edge, which this one, I'm missing a little bit there. There we go. All right, so that is really all we did, is we put 2 of them together, and we're just going to start stacking them up to create a large one. So just stick them together and just keep going. These are kind of fun to make. These I'm going to turn into a bulb. So what I'll do is I will make either draw, or I will make it look like it's an ornament, a 3D ornament in my book. And I'll show you that when I do it. I'm just not ready to place it in, and I wanted to make sure that I did this request for the person who wanted it. Alright, so okay, so basically you have this one here that will be attached to the book, and then you'll have 4 fins that are standing up. So then basically what you would do then is to put it into your journal is you basically just fold it back, apply, I'm not going to stick it in here because I'm not ready, but apply glue to this side, apply glue to this side, and then just stick it right down into the curve of the book, and then basically just fold your page over, you know, and press it down, and then this will be stuck to the page, and this will be stuck to the page. So then when you open up your page, you will have your little, there we go, then you will have your little fins sticking out. So that is all there is to it for the pop-up. So that's all there is to it. And mine is basically 1, 2, 3. Mine is just 3 of these cutouts glued together to make this little Christmas tree pop out. So that's all that is to it, and it's just stuck in the middle. It doesn't do anything. You know, it doesn't bind your page or nothing like that. So hopefully that was a good tip for you and on how to do the pop-outs, but they're lots and lots of fun. And like I said, you can do any shape, any style. You can, you know, you actually can journal in the middle of these, you know, if you do paper ones or book page ones. They're lots of fun to do, so they're kind of interactive and fun. All right, well, thanks for watching my video. All right, bye.